What is up, guys? So it has been 68 days since the Galaxy Z Flip 5 has released, so like just over 2 months, and it has been exactly 2 months since I've gotten this device, and I'm here with my thoughts on the Galaxy Z Flip 5, how it's held up from a durability standpoint, and whether or not I can recommend it to those of you who might be interested in picking up the Galaxy Z Flip 5. So let's get started. Okay, so starting out with the most important aspect of this phone is the price. So honestly, I would say, just before I say the price, I would say that it's definitely worth its price tag, but obviously it's up to you whether or not you're willing to spend this much on a foldable phone. So the price tag of the Galaxy S23 Ultra retails at $999. I'm sure you can find many like deals on Samsung's website, and even if you go to like maybe Amazon, or maybe try to pick up a refurbished version of this, but I'd be very cautious about getting a refurbished foldable phone. I haven't done it personally. I know Amazon refurbishes are good. I can leave links down in the description to I'm trying to think of their name. Shane Simons, I think that's his name. He bought a refurbished Z Fold 3. It was either a Z Fold 3 or 4 from Amazon, what is it, Amazon refurbished or something. So I can leave a link down in the description so you can see that, and it's up to you whether or not you want to get a refurbished version. So yeah, so the base, typically, let's just say the price is $999 for 258 gigabytes of storage, and then I think you can bump it up to I know it's 556 or 58 gigabytes for, I think it's like 1,100 or something, so like $1,100. But I can leave all the price variants and colors and just storage configurations. You guys can see that. Okay, and yeah, so now that that's over with, I would definitely say, for me personally, the price was definitely worth it. I did trade in my iPhone 14 Pro Max for this phone, so I got it for $40. But that was like a pre-order deal, which I thought was really good. And I also got these Galaxy Buds 2 Pro for free. And I could have gotten the Galaxy Watch 6 at like a discount, but I didn't. So yeah, that was how much I paid for it because I traded in my phone. And they also offer like great trade-in deals. But let's actually start getting into the review. So the main thing that I'm sure everyone is worried about when it comes to foldable phones is durability. How is this phone held up, from just opening and closing it every day? I would definitely say this new flex hinge has definitely improved durability. And for the inner screen, it's 40% less likely to get scratched. There are some minor micro scratches here and there, but honestly, micro scratches aren't that big of a deal. I think that's one. That's a dog hair. Yeah, there's like a few around the crease, which I'm noticing that it looks extremely bad on camera. Like, it looks like this is some cheap display. Yeah, that actually looks really bad on camera, but trust me, it is not bad. As you can see, there's not too much of anything there. It's when you turn the screen off that it looks pretty bad. But yeah, you get used to the crease really fast. I don't even notice it now. And if you fold your phone slightly, you don't even feel a crease, which is nice. So yeah, durability wise, the frame has held up great. There's no scratches. Well, there's, I think that rubs off. Oh. Yeah, that just rubs off. Okay, so there's no scratches on the sides, and this is using Armor Aluminum for the sides, the hinge, and then Gorilla Glass Victus 2 for the back, which is a glossy finish. It's not matte, which I kind of wish it was matte. And then also Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on this flex window area. I do have a screen protector on it though, just because, I don't want to drop it since it's such a big cover screen. I do throw a case on there. I have this Samsung, official Samsung case that I got, for free as a pre-order deal. But if you're looking for a case, I would not buy this silicone case with a little ring attachment. It is by far the worst case. I like the adhesive wore off super fast. Like it gets like dog hair and stuff in it, which is pretty gross and anything. I had to get sticky tack to like to keep it on the phone, but even then it doesn't really stay on it all. So I ordered a case from Amazon, and I'm actually really excited to get it because it has MagSafe, which, you know, I love. And yeah, like having the sticky tack on it like leaves this like nasty residue in between. It does come out, but like you have to take like a toothpick or something. So definitely not a good experience with that case. But yeah, durability, it's fine. There's absolutely no worries. You can even do a quick bend test. I'm not sure if I really want to do this. Okay. Yeah, you can see it bent like just the slightest bit. Yeah, no, it's not going to break, which is good. So yeah, bending is fine. You can close it however hard you want. The little pegs won't break. There's no scratches to the display. It's a really durable phone. So yeah, durability is not an issue at all. Battery life, let's see, what am I at? I'm at 83%, and I've been doing a lot of videos today, and it's 139, and I do, like, you know, school on this. So yeah, battery life is really good. I'm getting an average, I could probably get a day and a half from this phone with, like, moderate use, like, with really light use. I'd say probably 2 days. But with heavy use, I would say ending the day with 15% or so. So battery life is really great. There's no issues. And keep in mind that I am running One UI 6 beta on here, so this is like not going to be the battery life of One UI 1. Or was it One UI 5, 1.1 or something, .1.1 or something. So yeah, battery life has been really good. And also, like, with the new flex window, I feel like you're gonna be using this more to check notifications. You can even run, like, full apps on here. Like, you can do actually, you can do any app you have on here. You have game stacks, which I actually haven't tried that, no idea what that is. You can have, like, different widgets. You can launch different applications, like YouTube, Maps, which I actually find really useful. And yeah, you could just do a lot of stuff with this, which is really nice, which means you're not going to be on your phone as much. You can just check notifications without, like, getting sucked into an app or something. So the cover screen also definitely helps with battery life. And the next thing I want to talk about is cameras. So on paper, the Galaxy Z Flip 5's cameras aren't necessarily the best, but they do, like, produce some pretty impressive results. So let's go ahead and snap a quick picture. As you can see, there's lots of detail even if you zoom in. And considering it's only a 12 megapixel sensor, that's pretty impressive. It's mostly with, like, the image processing and the new AI capabilities of this phone. So yeah, photos are great. I can give you some samples so you guys can see it, and I'll also take some, like, videos showing you guys you know, what the quality's like, and also from the selfie camera, so I'll let you guys see that. Okay, and this is shooting at 4K 60 on the Galaxy Z Flip 5. I can open up the phone a little bit. You can use it as a camcorder. Obviously you can't see how I'm using it. Oh, it's extremely awkward, people are just staring at me. So yeah, as you can see, it actually does really good. I think it, like, exposing, it also really does good. Like, my hair color is natural, but like how it is in real life. If you actually look at a camera comparison that I did with the Galaxy Z Flip 5, iPhone 15 Pro, and the Galaxy S23 Ultra, I said that I actually prefer the Z Flip 5's, you know, camera quality, and actually I'd say it does really good. It keeps me in focus perfectly. I'm not sure how audio sounds right now because, you know, obviously I can only hear what I'm hearing right now. So yeah, I would say for video, Z Flip 5 definitely does a really good job, especially considering that it doesn't have, like, the best specifications for cameras, like megapixels and stuff. But yeah, let me know what you think down in the comments, and yeah, let's get back to some photos. Okay, so the next thing I wanted to kind of touch on is charging. So, oh, it's the wrong charger. It's a charger for the iPhone. Let me see. Grab one of my chargers. Okay. Oh, that just fell. Okay. So charging speeds is at 25 watts, which will give you to 0 to 100 in about like hour and a half. And so it's like super easy to like charge up fast if you're low. But what I usually do, since I'll have enough battery life at the end of the day, I'll just place it on a wireless charger and then just let it charge overnight, which I believe it charges at 15. I think it's 15 watts. I could be wrong, but I believe it's like 15 watts or so. So yeah, charging, like, it'll charge up super fast, which is really nice. It actually has faster charging than the iPhone 15 Pro Max. So I found that kind of interesting. But yeah, so all in all, the Galaxy Z Flip 5 is a great device. It has, you know, a strong, okay, I have to think about that. It has like a strong, durable body. It has a strong, like, flexible display, strong hinge, great cameras, awesome battery life, and it's going to get software updates for 5 years. So it'll support you to, let me see, it has Android 14 now. So like support you to Android like 16. I think that's right. I don't know. I'll correct myself if I'm wrong. So yeah, it'll last you a long time. And now for like my conclusion, whether or not I can recommend the Galaxy Z Flip 5 to those of you who are watching this and might be interested in picking this up. I would say yes. The Galaxy Z Flip 5 is definitely worth it in my opinion. You can get it for pretty cheap on Amazon or even on Samsung's own website. And like I said, you get a great package, you get powerful performance with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, and you're getting all of the great flagship, you know, features that, you know, even the S23 series has. And yeah, so I would say I would definitely recommend this to, like, if you're interested in picking this device up. And I'll leave like links and stuff where you can find it pretty cheap down in the description. So yeah, that's my conclusion. Definitely get this device. So if you enjoyed watching that video, thank you so much for watching. And if you enjoyed that video, please consider subscribing for more Galaxy Z Flip 5 content. And I will catch you in my next one. See you then.